What's going on, legends? Welcome back to another episode. Sorry, I've got to be super quiet because Dewey and Jess are still sleeping. So is everyone else. So today we're heading back out to Glasshouse and we're going to be tackling, I think, Little Red and Big Red. So I've got to go now, fuel up and head out. Alright, so we're en route now. Just got some fuel, we're all good to go. And I'm meeting a couple of new guys today that are coming out for a ride, which should be fun. I've just met up with Nick and Jamie. They're going to be joining us today on today's ride, and I'm just trying to figure out how the fuck I'm actually getting to this campsite. Each time I've gone in, I've followed someone, so look, if I get lost, so be it. I'll just unload the bike and just head in. So we're trying to find the camp spot. I have no idea where we are. Nick reckons he knows where we are, so fingers crossed, because I've got no reception, so I'd be screwed. Alright, we've finally found it. We're on the right road now. Some of the boys come up to the main road to meet us, so we'll be there in a tick. Got a few of the boys here. Nick's still on his way. He parked up at Big Red because his ute was not going to make it down here. So we're about to gear up, figure out where we're going to go and head out.
I'll never stop, I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Woo! All right, as you just seen, we just made it through some epic single trails. Very hairy through there, but I loved it, absolutely loved it. We're just having a bit of a breather. Everyone's pretty wrecked, but it's only the start of the day. And it looks like we're going to be tackling Big Red, so stay tuned. Fuck you! Wow, that was interesting. So, I'm fucking wrecked. Made the massive mistake of not going out, not eating before I went out. So I thought we we're just gonna have just a quick little strap around, you know, get a bit warmed up, come back, have something to eat, and then head out. Oh, I didn't do that. 2.5 hours later, I was fucking wrecked, struggling to do anything, couldn't lift my bike, couldn't do nothing, falling all over the place. So anyway, now we're having about a 20-minute, half an hour break, just eating, and we're about to head out. We haven't even tackled the Big Red yet, so I don't know what the fuck Big Red's gonna look like, but stay tuned, we'll see. so we've just stopped to take a bit of a breather. We're kind of going around Big Red. I don't think we tackled it. We tackled Little Red. Look, to be honest, I get confused as with these places. Little Red, Big Red, whatever. We're climbing hills. Now we're chilling out, ready to go back again.
You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm. Woo!
So that's a wrap. We're done packing it in. I'm absolutely wrecked. I know I have like a dirty Sanchez moustache going on, but it's all good. Had a really good day today. It was absolutely boiling. It was hot as fuck today, but either way, we made the most of it. We did a few hill climbs. I don't think I hit Big Red at all. I think I hit something that was kind of similar, like maybe Little Red or whatever the fuck it is. I don't know, but you guys seen it in the footage. All right, so I think we've got an issue. My spokes, some of them loose, there you can see it, and we've just discovered that my rim is actually a bit buckled. It's got a flat spot in one spot, which sucks, but it is what it is, and it comes with what we do, unfortunately. So I've got to get that into the shop this week, get it sorted out, so make sure it's ready by Wednesday. Probably not, but by next week. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please share it or subscribe so you can keep updated with my up and coming videos. All right guys, take care, speak to you soon. Peace.